New discoveries in space. An exciting time. Space exploration is always pushing boundaries, venturing into the unknown and expanding our understanding of the universe. We are making incredible discoveries, from new planets and moons to understanding the fundamental nature of space itself. Companies like SpaceX, NASA, and Rocket Lab are leading the way with innovative technologies and ambitious missions. They are achieving new milestones such as reusable rockets and interplanetary missions. These achievements are inspiring a new generation of scientists and engineers. They bring us closer to understanding the cosmos, revealing the mysteries of our universe and our place within it. SpaceX is known for its reusable rockets, which have revolutionized the economics of space travel. They are developing Starship for deep space travel, aiming to make human life multiplanetary. NASA is focused on returning humans to the moon, with plans to establish a sustainable presence. This is part of the Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface. Rocket Lab provides launch services for smaller satellites, making space more accessible to a wider range of organizations. They play a crucial role in scientific research and communication, enabling new discoveries and advancements in technology. These advancements are significant. They represent our collective progress, showcasing international collaboration and the shared human spirit of exploration. We are entering a new era of space exploration with more missions, more discoveries, and more opportunities than ever before. This is a time of great excitement and opportunity as we push the boundaries of what is possible and dream of new horizons. Let's delve deeper into some of these remarkable developments and explore the future of space exploration together. The curious case of SpaceX's B-13 booster. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rockets are partially reusable, a groundbreaking innovation in the aerospace industry. The first stage booster returns to Earth after launch, landing either on a drone ship at sea or back on land. This innovative approach significantly reduces the cost of spaceflight, making it more accessible and sustainable. It also allows for more frequent missions, enabling SpaceX to launch satellites, supply the ISS, and more. One particular booster, known as B-13, has a unique and intriguing story that stands out. B-13 was lost at sea after a mission. Initially, it was presumed destroyed, a total loss. However, parts of the booster were later discovered washed ashore, sparking curiosity and concern. This unexpected discovery raised numerous questions about what exactly happened. SpaceX conducted a thorough investigation. They meticulously analyzed data and recovered debris to piece together the incident. The investigation revealed that B-13 experienced a critical malfunction during its descent. This malfunction occurred during its descent phase, leading to an off-course trajectory. As a result, the booster did not land as intended, missing its target. It broke apart upon impact with the ocean, scattering debris over a wide area. SpaceX learned valuable lessons from this incident, which informed future missions. They improved their rocket design and recovery procedures, enhancing reliability and safety for future launches. Humanity's next giant leap. NASA's Artemis program is a bold endeavor. Its goal is to establish a sustainable presence on the moon. This includes building a lunar base and preparing for missions to Mars. Artemis 2 is a crucial step in this journey. Artemis 2 will be the first crewed mission of the program. It will send astronauts around the moon. This will be the first time humans have ventured beyond low Earth orbit since 1972. The mission is planned for 2024. The crew of Artemis 2 will conduct scientific experiments. They will test the Orion spacecraft systems. They will also collect valuable data about the lunar environment. Artemis 2 is a significant milestone in human spaceflight. Rocket Lab, Little Rocket, Big Impact. Rocket Lab is a private space company. They specialize in launching small satellites. Their Electron rocket is designed for this purpose. It is smaller and more affordable than traditional rockets. This makes it ideal for scientific missions and commercial applications. Rocket Lab has achieved a remarkable success rate. They have launched numerous satellites into orbit. These satellites are used for various purposes. They monitor the environment, provide communication services, and support scientific research. Rocket Lab's success demonstrates the importance of small satellite technology. It provides access to space for a wider range of customers. This is driving innovation and expanding the space industry. Rocket Lab is a key player in this growing sector. Collaboration, the key to the cosmos. Space exploration is a collaborative endeavor. It requires the combined efforts of nations, agencies, and private companies. International cooperation is essential for success. By working together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. The International Space Station is a prime example of collaboration. It is a joint project involving multiple countries. The ISS serves as a platform for scientific research and technological development. It is a testament to what we can accomplish when we work together. Collaboration fosters innovation and progress. It allows us to share knowledge, resources, and expertise. By working together, we can overcome challenges and unlock the secrets of the universe. Inspiring future generations. Space exploration has a profound impact on society. It inspires future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. The pursuit of knowledge and the spirit of discovery are contagious. When we send humans to space, we ignite the imaginations of children around the world. We show them that anything is possible. Space exploration fosters a sense of wonder and curiosity. It encourages us to ask questions and seek answers. By investing in space exploration, we are investing in our future. We are nurturing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. These are the individuals who will shape the world of tomorrow. A universe of possibilities awaits. Space exploration is a journey without end. It is a quest that has fascinated humanity for centuries, driving us to look beyond our world and into the vast expanse of the cosmos. The more we discover, the more we realize how much we still don't know. Each new finding opens up countless questions, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The universe is vast and mysterious. It stretches far beyond what we can see, filled with galaxies, stars, and planets that hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. It is filled with wonders yet to be uncovered. From the birth of stars to the formation of planets, the cosmos is a treasure trove of phenomena that can teach us about the origins of everything. As we continue to explore, we will undoubtedly make new and exciting discoveries. These discoveries will not only expand our knowledge but also inspire future generations to dream big. These discoveries will advance our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. They will help us answer fundamental questions about our existence and the universe. They will lead to technological innovations and scientific breakthroughs. The challenges of space exploration drive us to develop new technologies that can benefit life on Earth. Space exploration has the potential to solve some of the greatest challenges facing humanity. From climate change to resource scarcity, the solutions may lie beyond our planet. The future of space exploration is bright. With each mission, we take another step towards a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. With continued investment and collaboration, we can push the boundaries of human knowledge and achieve greatness. International cooperation will be key to unlocking the full potential of space exploration. Let us embrace the unknown and embark on this incredible adventure together. The journey ahead is filled with endless possibilities, and it is up to us to seize them.